Start by building an emergency fund, your first line of defense against life's unexpected surprises. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses in an easy-access savings account. Even tucking away a small amount each week will give you real peace of mind. A solid safety net means you'll never be caught off guard when the unexpected happens. Once your emergency fund is in place, look into a tax-free savings account. This is where your money can grow without being taxed on the returns you earn. It's one of the smartest ways to future-proof your wealth, whilst keeping your funds accessible when you need them most. Putting money into both an emergency fund and a savings account gives you flexibility and long-term security. The emergency fund covers life's surprises, and your savings grows tax-free over time. Prioritize your financial well-being and take control of your future. Start building your safety net today. Disclaimer: this video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always seek advice from a qualified professional before making financial decisions. I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not financial advice.